the Honorable Deputy Collector Yashashwani IAS officer was also present. Mamladar is here, the video is also here, and other officers also have come from the PWD. And unfortunately, only our Panch member has come of this area, Abhi, and Sarpanch and Sanila is also here. But unfortunately, though Sarpanch, I had spoken to him, he has not come. I don't know for what reason. Maybe he's busy or maybe he's skipping, I don't know. But I want to tell you one thing. We are thinking of a proactive action. I have spoken to the Deputy Collector also and the Mamladar. We have identified the main cause of this are the shops which are here, which have elevated their bases and preventing free flow of the water. So the Mamladar and the Deputy Collector are working in tandem to ensure that they are getting a checklist done of all these structures and the legality of it, and action will be taken, because I think that if this is taken, we will be able to get a good resolution. Immediate action is getting the gutters done, because there is no flow of water. Water just accumulates. I've told the PWD that please ensure that the gutter is done immediately. If anyone obstructs, if any of the shopkeepers obstructs, we will have, I'm giving them a free hand to seal those shops. Because if you obstruct and you block it in front of your shop for your convenience, we will have to ensure that your shop is closed. We must look at the greater good of the public, not the greater good of an individual. And therefore, I think we will be able to move in the right direction. The PWD also has shown a plan where they are wanting right from Bastora Tar Bridge on our side, on the Aldona side, the service roads and all the work to be done. So 5 areas they have identified right up to this circle. The traffic police is also here, and there is already a notification about no parking. So they will. They've already requested the Bastora Panchayat to put up the boards, but the boards have not yet been put. So I told them there's a problem, contact me, I will get someone to sponsor those boards, and we will put up the boards with the approval of the Deputy Collector and the traffic police, because they are the authorities who will be able to do this. And I think we should be able to get a solution, because this is unacceptable what has been happening. People have fallen in these ditches, and especially when it's covered with water, you can't make out what's there. And some people have suffered some injuries, not major fortunately, but they have like scratches or maybe some real hurts. People have bled also.
So, don't you think there is a delay in getting this road, and this road is overlooked by the administration?
No, I will tell you one thing. I पहिले सांगलोले एका PWD सांगलोले आणि मागीर पावस आशिल्लो, चड पावस आशिल्लो, तेन्ना कांय काम करूंक मेळना. Second, PWD काम start केल्लें. हांव तुमकां फोटो धाडटा. बोल्लोलें, PWD had done the work. They filled, but when this heavy rain came, all that got washed out. It got filled, then everything started getting washed out.
And now the action will be the shop.
So I believe one more thing. It should not be post-mortem. For meltana, yopache, korpache kam. It should be anticipated. You can see this is becoming worse. This is going to happen. So I think that should also be a timely this thing which should be done promptly, immediately, and I think relief will be there for everyone.
So do you think that the PWD maybe was failure installing the dividers? Finally, the drainage should have come forward.
I will tell you something. The Bastora Panchayat, to my knowledge, has undertaken this work of putting this divider under CSR funding. So it is not public funds which is being spent, number one. Number two, your question about again and again this work, especially you're talking about this patch. See, I want to say one thing. We will look at that as a long-term measure, and we can tell the department, be cautious, and in future we will not tolerate. Right now we need an immediate solution of getting this done. Otherwise it will be only theory and no action. So I appreciate what you're saying. We will tell them that you will be held accountable and it won't slip through my fingers. We will make sure that it is done. And I saw you already mentioned it in the WhatsApp group. So, no, it is right. But public money should not be wasted like this. But I think that they are working. See, I tell you something. They have got their own limitations. Sometimes we don't know and we don't appreciate. But with whatever they can, they have tried to help us. And we we have been able to work out. Now you look today. I called for the meeting. Everybody has come and everybody has volunteered to move forward with positivity. And I think we should be able to get the solutions.
So in terms of basically the Mamladar and the Flyover in this particular area have conducted an inspection already and filed checklist because of many events that were being built up. We were not able to make up the events which will be expired from now on. And also in another week or so we will also conduct one more inspection in this area with respect to any illegal shops or gadas which are coming up or have already been located in the function. So we will do all that and also we will inform the panchayat along with the BDO. We will instruct the BDO also to look into the issues that there is a lot of parking issues that are happening and a lot of inconvenience being caused to the public who are travelling in these roads, and whatever panchayat can work on and act on, that they will also expedite and do it on a fast manner. That I will try to conduct a meeting with the BDO and also the panchayat secretary. So that we will look at. With respect to the PWD, they are working on it and they are with the help of MLA sir, probably the approvals can be given sooner and because again also building of this particular road and also the drainages that need to be built up more so that waterlogging does not happen. Any further activities we will all conduct a combined meeting with all the other departments and then work on it. If I'm not wrong, the entire short matter has been submitted before the administrators and there is a complete property. Matters have been submitted. There are matters which are under my jurisdiction also. Since this comes under Kamala, we have supposed to be doing it under Kamala. But then the Kamala has been overburdened. A few matters are coming to. So I have few matters which are submitted and I have asked my Mamladar also to find further churches if there are any further churches which are functioning illegally without any requisite consent. We will look into that matter and implement all the cases which are at least in
I will clarify this one small aspect. Under code of Komunidades, the Komunidad will look at illegal constructions in Komunidad land, constructions with or without their permission, whether they have got Komunidad's permission or they won't bother. But the deputy collector, she rightly said, she looks under illegal conversion under the land revenue code. You understand it? So everything will come to her, whether it's a private land, whether it's a Komunidad land, whether it's a tenanted Komunidad land or otherwise non-Komunidad tenanted land, or even if it's me individually, if I'm building a house or anything like that, without taking a conversion sanat under the land revenue code, she is the final arbiter on illegal conversion.